Step into a new dimension of riding with the Yamaha MT-09, a bike that redefines what it means to own the streets. Built to dominate, the MT-09 combines cutting-edge performance with bold, aggressive styling, delivering an experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. At the core of this beast is Yamaha's 889cc, 3-cylinder engine. With advanced crossplane technology, it produces an exhilarating burst of torque and a unique growl that sets your pulse racing. Whether you're accelerating out of tight corners or cruising on open roads, the MT-09 delivers raw power with precision. But performance isn't just about speed. Yamaha's lightweight aluminum frame ensures incredible agility and handling, giving you the confidence to carve through every turn. Paired with a fully adjustable suspension system, the MT-09 adapts effortlessly to your riding style, offering unmatched control and comfort, no matter the road ahead. This is a bike that's as smart as it is powerful. Featuring a full suite of advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and a quick shifter, the MT-09 is designed to make every ride seamless. The vibrant TFT display keeps you informed, while safety systems like ABS and slide control give you peace of mind when pushing the limits. Visually, the Yamaha MT-09 is a masterpiece. Its aggressive design and sharp, futuristic lines demand attention wherever it goes. LED headlights, a sculpted fuel tank, and a minimalist tail section complete its bold, naked bike aesthetic. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a work of art that reflects Yamaha's commitment to innovation and style. Whether you're an urban explorer, a weekend adventurer, or a performance enthusiast, the Yamaha MT-09 is built for you. It's more than just a bike, it's a partner that transforms every ride into a journey of excitement. Are you ready to experience the power, precision, and passion of the Yamaha MT-09? Your adventure starts here.